Hello everyone, my name is Michal and thanks for tuning in. Today I thought I'll do something a little bit different. So instead of me doing this one big video on one overall arcing theme, I thought I'll share with you a little tip that I picked up, which hopefully might come to use to you as well. So what is this tip? Well, let me show you. Come on through. So what is this tip that I'm talking about? Well, I actually found it in November of 2019, so not that long ago. And to be perfectly honest with you, the first time I saw it was in the beginning of 2019, but I think that at the time I wasn't ready for it. So what is this great tip that I'm talking about? Well, I realized that events are now slowly becoming digital. And because of that, they're becoming a hell of a tool to get some Steam wishlists. And I don't know about you, but I really like my Steam wishlists, and I know deep inside you like them too. So look, that's enough of talking. Let me actually show you what I'm talking about. So come with me, check this out. So this was this life-changing moment for me. You see this? Well, at EGX Berlin, one of my clients was actually showcasing their game there. And during the 3 days that the event was taking place, this front feature was present on Steam. And if you clicked on that banner, you would be taken to a dedicated page on which every game that was at the show that also had a Steam page set up, that would be listed here. Now, as you probably imagine, there are a lot of people visiting the Steam store every day. And you would imagine that a lot of these people would actually click on that banner too. Now, I don't know the number of visits to this page, but because of this feature, my client got over 2,500 wish lists. That's not bad, and considering that we got the booth for free, that made it even better. Plus, we also got some coverage too in the press, which is always a bonus. Now fast forward to the last PAX East. This event also had this feature, but this time, what another client of mine did is they set up a live stream that was being streamed on their Steam store page. And that stream was featured right here, on the top of the events page. The result? Due to the feature and the stream that they had going, they have received over 5,000 wish lists over the period of the event. To me, that is an insane amount. So this little thing that I just shown you, this blew my mind. To me, this is nuts. This actually made me rethink my whole plans for 2020 when it comes to my clients and their marketing, because as you probably already know, events, they can cost quite a lot of money. So you might as well get the most value for your buck, and this is a hell of a value. Best thing is, some of these events that have these Steam features, they actually offer some free booth space as well. So there you go, you can even save some more money and get more bang for that money as well. Now, if you enjoyed this little content here, please subscribe to my channel, and in the future, you might get a video which might come in handy to you too. And for me personally, anyone who subscribes, it makes me feel kind of nice deep inside as well. So I guess we're both winners in that front. And look, I was thinking, I don't really know what sort of questions you might have or what sort of thoughts you might have. Would you want me to do a Q&A? I'm more than happy to grab some of the questions that you have for me. Maybe you want to hear some opinions. Let them all out in the comments below. And I'll see if I can record a video and hopefully answer some of those questions for you. Because I mean, who doesn't want to listen to some random dude on the internet? But with that in mind, thanks so much for watching and I hope to speak to you soon. Peace.